In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comment in OneNote. If you want to leave a quick note, mark something for a review, or highlight a section that needs a response, OneNote gives you a simple way to do that using tags. In this example, we'll use the question tag, which works well as a comment style marker because it helps draw attention to a specific part of your notes. To begin, go to your page in OneNote, open the notebook, and navigate to the exact page where you want to add the comment. It's a good idea to click into the line or section of text you want to mark before adding the tag, so the comment style indicator appears in the right place. This helps keep your notes organized and makes it easier to find later, especially if you're reviewing a longer page. Once you're on the correct page, look for the tags option in the toolbar. Click on tags to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains different labeling options you can use to organize and flag information inside your notes. Tags are useful because they don't just add visual markers, they also make your content easier to scan when you come back to it later. If you collaborate with others or use OneNote for planning, studying, or project tracking, this can be especially helpful. After opening the tags dropdown, click on Question. As soon as you select it, OneNote will apply that tag to your current line or selected content. This acts like a comment marker, signaling that this part of the note may need clarification, follow-up, or an answer. It's a quick and practical way to add context without interrupting the flow of your notes. If you want the tag to be more meaningful, make sure the text beside it clearly explains what the question or comment is about. That way, when you return to the page later, you'll immediately understand why you marked it. This is particularly useful when you're studying, brainstorming ideas, or reviewing meeting notes. And that's all it takes to add a comment style marker in OneNote using tags. Go to your page, open the tags menu, and choose question. It's a simple feature, but it can make your notes much more actionable and easier to review.